Oh, hi Clover. Hey, guess what? Today is May 1st at Seven Bends, which means that it's May 2nd in Bridgetown and WA, which means that it's your birthday and you're 4 years old. So let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Clover. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Oh, I'm so dizzy. Oh, I'm falling down. Ooh. Hey, I planted a tree for you. You can come back to Seven Bends and look at that when they're big. And it'll be big too.